phone stand. For that we need a square sheet. We will fold it in half. Now we will fold it once again to make a small square. Now open it. Now we will join both the corners to its center line like this. We will fold both the corners. Now fold this whole piece in half. Fold it to its other side as well to make it strong. Now bring this corner to its left to the center, making a triangle. Repeat the same on the other side as well. Now open it and repeat the same process on the other side as well, like this. Crease it properly. Now open it. You can see all the creasing lines now. Now we will slightly open this side, join those corners and put this side inside of it. Repeat the same on the other side as well. Open it slightly, join the corners and put it inside like this. Now fold it to make it strong. Now press the center and it will look like this. And repeat the same process on the other side as well, like this. You can see it looks like a boat. Now we will fold it like this. Now open it. Now turn it around and push the center like this. Your mobile stand is ready. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to EdPrime.